Yo, what is up guys, and in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to get to sewers 2, basically. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to come down here, then you want to go to Angler. So I'm obviously not going to turn my flashlight on, so you know what that does obviously. But the Angler is attracted to light, so if I turn this light on right now, then I'd be cooked. So here it is, it's right here. So you're going, once you get to there, you all go here, and it's right here. And a warning is that there's like 4 to 5 mimics in here. There's a lot of mimics, so I'd be warned. Anyways, thank you for watching. Hope you found this helpful. I'll see you in the next one, and goodbye.